You may have heard the term arbitration, but you may not know exactly what it means. So arbitration is similar to the courts in some ways and dissimilar in others. So it starts with a party filing a complaint, which is pretty similar. And then from there are fees and costs that are a lot more expensive than a traditional court system. The way arbitration works is there's basically a private judge appointed. So it may be a retired judge or a practicing attorney that sits and acts as the judge, or they're called the arbitrator in the case. Well, they're not free, they're not government subsidized. The parties who are in the arbitration have to pay for that person's time. They have a lot of experience, so they can be pretty expensive. Once the complaint's filed and the arbitrator's appointed, then the case can continue much like it would if you filed in court. It just happens a lot faster. Arbitrators are not handling hundreds of cases at a time. They usually only have a handful on their plate, and so they can have a lot more attention to your matter and move it along much more quickly. I think the average time for a case in a common pleas court in Ohio is about 18 months. I want to say for arbitration, that is closer to 6 to 8 months. It's a lot quicker, but it's also a lot more expensive. If you're considering including arbitration in one of your agreements, you're welcome to give us a call to discuss it. We would encourage anyone considering arbitration to research it to make sure that they know what they're getting into before they agree to arbitration.